Alright, hello everybody. Today what I want to show you is how to create your own meme set in Quizzizz. So if you're a teacher and you're using Quizzizz for your students, I have been a long time Quizzizz user, and Quizzizz is really fun and always entertaining for the kids. So if you are logged in, I just have a basic account. You can see over here on the left hand side. I have never upgraded my account, so I appreciate Quizzizz and all of the help they have been to me over the years. And so I'm a long-time user and supporter, but I have never been a premium user. When I first started using it, I don't even think they had a premium user option. But anyway, if you look on the left-hand side in your Quizzizz account, you'll go to more, and then you'll see memes right here. So I click on memes and you can see my current meme sets. Now I've created this meme set called Coach Hoover 6 years ago and this one 5 years ago. Let's take a look. Let's click edit meme set, and you can see I've got some really old pictures here. This is our former principal. Most of my students now won't even know who this is, so I could probably delete that one. Here's one of me from probably 5-6 years ago outside wearing shades and a hat. I put Coach Hoover is happy. So the way I made these memes here is I actually went to a custom meme generator, a free meme generator. Now I found one right here, or you can just Google, meme generator, and there's several to choose from. I kind of like this one right here. So basically you generate a meme by uploading your picture. So I'm going to go ahead and create a fresh meme for us right now. I'm going to choose my image, actually upload an image. I have a updated picture of myself somewhere here. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and use that one right there. Alright, let's just see. This will be Coach Hoover. And I'm going to click create, and I'm going to now if I go Coach Hoover up here, let's see. Now I can delete this picture after I do this if I want to. Alright, choose image. Alright, so I went to choose image, and I actually searched meme Coach Hoover. Here's the picture I just uploaded. Alright, here's where I'm actually going to get to create it. So let's do a good answer. So let's see, Coach Hoover says good answer. Coach Hoover says good answer. Let's see how that turned out. Alright, that'll work. Now I have to jump through hoops on this CAPTCHA here. Please click each image containing a dog-shaped cookie. So I'm going to pause while I go through this CAPTCHA real quick. Alright, so I completed the CAPTCHA, and we have a meme. We're going to go ahead. Other. Click what country? I guess Great Britain. Oh, whatever that is. All right. Okay, so there is the meme. Like I said, I've never used this meme generator before. Usually they're pretty easy to figure out. What I'm going to do, I'll just right click save image. I'll put this in my downloads right now. Coach Hoover says good answer. That'll work. Alright, so now I've created a new one. Alright, so if you find an online free meme generator that you like better, or if you've worked with one before, I can't remember how I made the last ones here, these old ones here, but they're all pretty much the same kind of thing. You just gotta click around on it and figure out how to do that. Alright, so here are some examples again of the memes that I made. This is actually an old picture of me when I was a little kid, so every once in a while I'll tell the kids, can you guess who that is? So they get a kick out of that. Here's one of Albert Einstein, And here's one when our principal was wearing it was a mustache day, so I thought that was kind of funny, so I came up with that one. And so anyway, all right, let's go back to my other meme set here. This is a one I made 5 years ago, so you can see I've had Quizzizz for a long time. And just some other random memes. Chuck Norris, Ben McDonald's a local celebrity in the town that I live. He was born here. All right, Shaq. So all kind of possibilities with these meme sets. So here's what we'll do. We'll go ahead and create a new meme set, and new meme set 22-23. How about that? And I'm gonna make my meme set private. English language, click done. All right, create a correct meme. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one that I just downloaded right here. There you go. Coach Hoover says good answer. So that's me, Coach Hoover. So that's a good one to get started. Now, how can we find memes without having to go to the trouble of creating memes? You can see right here we got a whole bunch, right? So if you just Google correct answer memes, here's the old tough baby kid right here. So we will stick them in here, and then we'll go back to Quizzizz, create a new one, and we'll just drag him up like that. There's the tough baby. Yes, you got it right. Now you can see I'm starting to create my correct answer meme sets. Now there's a category for correct and a category for incorrect, right? Let's add a few more. Well, that is correct. It's not the most correct answer. That's kind of funny. And we'll just save, go back to Quizzizz, create correct meme, and we'll drag it up here, and we'll click add. Let's find a couple more. Funny cat. There's a funny cat meme. Save as. I'm not going to take the time to rename these images that I'm saving. If you wanted to get real, if you wanted to worry about that, you could. Maybe one more here. Clearly that's the correct answer, not just the right answer. Some of these I don't know if the kids will understand. Here's a Yoda. Kids will like that. And we'll drag him up there and add. Alright, very good. So I'm going to go ahead and click done. Incomplete. Add at least one correct and one correct and one incorrect. Alright, so we need to add at least one correct and one incorrect meme to complete the set. Okay, well, let's go back to incorrect. And we need to go to incorrect. Wrong answer memes. We said correct answer. Alright, I hadn't done this in a while. Here is the Terminator. Wrong answer. Save image. Back to Quizzizz. Click add. Let's get a few more wrong answer memes. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This is a Willy Wonka movie. Can't remember that actor's name. Comment if you can remember that actor's name. He used to be in all the Young Frankenstein movies and stuff. What was he? Gene Wilder. That was it. Wow. I can't remember. I remembered that. Here's a mad cat one, funny angry cat. Oops. Add. All right, let's do 2 more, and that way we'll have 5 correct and 5 incorrect. Back to Quizzizz, and we're going to drag that one up there. Click add, and here's another funny cat. I think I put that one on another one earlier yesterday when I was practicing on this. Quizzizz. Alright, that should give us, there we go. Alright, now let's click done. Great, new meme set. We've got 5 correct and 5 incorrect. So now let's go back to my library and let's look at some quizzes that I already have saved. Here is a logo quiz. And if I wanted to play this quiz with my class, this is I have a tech club, computer club. This is, I call it a quiz club this year, but anyway, I play quiz games sometimes with my school clubs, and usually that's pretty fun. So if I wanted to play this quiz with my students, this college logo quiz, I would click start live quiz. I'll do classic, and then right here you make your selections on what you want to do. By the way, the name factory, I would always suggest using name factory because kids will put things that are inappropriate sometimes, right? So here is my new meme set right here. That's the one I just made. So then I click continue, and we're ready to play. We're ready to play this game. I'm gonna hit. All right, great. Let me open this up. Actually, let me just start it. See if it'll let me play. No, I'm the host, right? Go to join.quizzizz.com. Let me put in the quiz code 940827. 940827. And it's got me my name already ready to go. And I'll start. Alright, so I'm going to have to overdub this quiz game. When I played, the music was so loud you couldn't hear me talk. So you can see that my memes are popping up there. I clicked Michigan as the right answer for that logo, and the Coach Hoover meme popped up. This one I was supposed to click all that apply, so it's both the Spartans and Michigan State. I actually clicked Michigan State, and I got that one wrong because I didn't click the Spartans and Michigan State. And there's the Gene Wilder Charlie and the Chocolate Factory meme, and I clicked use the power up. So I just wanted to see, doing this, if the memes would pop up that we made and get a look at what it looked like for the kids. That's Butler Bulldogs there. There's the Tough Baby, you got that right. Okay, this one's Notre Dame, and there's the funny lady in front of the map. And this one is Alabama, of course. And there's me again popping up. I think I clicked on one more just to see another picture pop up, and that one was Purdue. And the funny cat pops up. So now you get an idea what it looks like for the students as they play. When I create a quiz, most of the time I'll leave it on random, and it'll just pick any of the memes. So it'll just pick any of the sets. So I'd leave it on random a lot of time. If you have a particular new meme set with fresh pictures like we just made, and you want to use that one, then you could select that one. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video on how to create your own meme set in Quizzizz. and appreciate you watching the video for my new YouTube channel here I'm making. And please consider giving me a like and a subscription, and I'll try to make more videos like this for you. Thanks for watching.